Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to remove rear window weather strip on Lexus CT200. First, we need to remove door panel. Alright, the door card is removed, and now open the windows, and with fingers this one is connect to this little chrome trim, so try to put in the fingers and then looks there, pull up. It's not the easiest. All right, we need some, try to do some special tools. So let's try with this. Put this hook here, start this way, careful because here is the glass and easy to broken the glass. Yeah, I'll show you this one. So this hook just put here underneath here and try open all the way. Careful with the glass. Okay, oh. Yeah. Oops. All right, finally. So we need just pulling. Yeah, I pull too much and then easy to broken this clip, what is designed for holding on it. But don't worry, when you're putting back, just putting back after, still this one is tight enough for hold. Just bend it back lightly and that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.